Hey y'all, welcome back. This is just a quick video to show you how to replace one of these light bulbs, and today I'm going to show you why I'll replace one of these LEDs and take out the actual light bulb right here. In my profile below you'll see the link for where to buy one of these or any one of them similar like it. So no tools necessary. All you need is really gloves, and that's just because I don't want to have the grossness of the bulb. So the reason why you want to replace these is because all the nasty things that get between the bulb and in here, there's a lot of bugs that could be right in here, right? So I'm gonna take out this bulb. This has been here for a while. Oh, gross. A lot of stuff that's here. I already checked to make sure there's no wasps in here, or there shouldn't be. I didn't see any, so hopefully I don't get stung, but there's a lot of gross junk in here. Spiders, you see all that junk right there? That's gross. So basically what we don't want is, we don't want to have all that accumulation between the bulb. Wasps could be in here, it could be dangerous. There's a lot of insects that could go in between your light bulbs. So anyways, that's what we don't want. And that's why we're replacing it with one of these, which will close up the gaps. But anyways, it's basically pretty easy to replace. All we need to do is we take this inside there. We just need to get a grab on the side. If I can. There we go. Take this. Those painted, a little bit of paint is stuck right there. There we go. That comes out with this right here. And all I have to do is squeeze these holders out. No tools necessary, really. And then over here, right here, there's the little two pins. I need to take this out. So the word of advice is I should actually just say, make sure your electricity is off. I know my switch is off. And this is what the cover looks like. It's these two pins that were just holding, it in, and it just snips to right there. So that's what we're doing. We're just gonna take that out. And the new bulb is actually pretty easy to put in. It comes with a little screw thing right here. So clean this out a little more. All I have to do is screw that in, and that's in right there. That's it. Take the new light, have this, and all this does is just plugs in right here. This is really, really quick and easy. And therefore, because I'm gonna maintain that seal, I'm not gonna get all the bugs in there anymore. Take this, let's see, and that's just gonna clip into there. That little clip there. I'm gonna try to get the other side in. Get that clipped in. There you go. So that's in. We tug all the wires and make sure it stays inside. And we just move it up. There, now I have that seal. If you want to even seal more, you can put caulk around there, but I'm not gonna be too worried about that seal. And that's it, we're done. That's how easy it is to replace one of those light bulbs and make sure you don't get bugs in between. And now we'll just test it out, turn on the light. Hold on. There you go. Then turn it back on. That's how easy it is to replace one of those. All right. Thanks for watching. And subscribe.